Hello guys, welcome to Essential BI. Today we are going to learn how to export data from SQL Server to flat file. Before starting video, I would recommend you to watch this video till end to understand the entire process. I have a table name of dim date, so which has around 3652 records. So what I have to do here, I have to just export data into flat file. So I will switch over to the data tool. So this is the data tool like SSIS environment where you can create a packages. So first of all, you need to take a data flow task to perform any operation in SSIS. So I have taken this. So now I'm going to take a OLEDB source. Because why I'm taking OLEDB source? Because my data is existing in SQL Server. So I have taken OLEDB source. Now I will double click on the OLEDB source. So it will ask for the OLEDB connection manager. So now I will create a OLEDB connection manager. So here one OLEDB connection manager is present, but I want to delete this OLEDB connection manager and I want to create new one. So here it is asking for the server name. So to find the server name, let's switch over to the SQL Server and click on a Connect Object Explorer. So once you will click on that, copy here and paste it into the server name. So once you will paste the server name, it will it will ask for the to select the database name where your table is existing, which you want to export into a flat file. So my table is existing in a AdventureWorks DW. So now I will test the connection. So connection has been tested. Now okay. Now I will click on OK. So now it will ask another step is it will ask for the table name, which table you want to export in flat file. So you can preview the data as well by clicking on the preview button. Now okay. So now I will take the flat file destination because I need to export data into a flat file. So I have dragged flat file destination here. Now I'm going to create connection between OLEDB source and flat file source. So I have created a connection here. Now I will double click on the flat file. So once I will double click on a flat file, it will ask for the connection manager, flat file connection manager. So I will click on a new. So once I will click on a new, it will redirect to the file flat file format window. So I will select delimited. So here I need to browse a file. So I need to create one more file here. I have given this name like dim date to dim like dim. Okay. So I'm going to select dim. So there is two important things here. Like you have to checkbox here Unicode and column names in first row, first data row. So if you will not select this one, so your data will not come correctly. So I would suggest you to select this. This is highly recommended. So now click on mapping. So mapping means like all available input columns and all available destination columns. So we have similar input columns and destination columns. So there is no need to change here. So now package has been completed. So I will click on a start. So once I will click on a start, so the package is executed. Okay, so package has been executed. Now I need to check how many records are in present in flat file. So because data is in text file, so I'm not able to count check the count. So what I need to do, I need to import that data into Excel file. So click on data and from text target the column, uh, folder name, export. So dim is a file where we have exported. So here my data has this one, and delimiter says semicolon, comma, sorry. So I will click on that. I will select this one, text, this one. So here you can check the total values. The total count of records is 3652. So you can see here all the records are coming, which is presented in SQL table. So that's all, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe us for the upcoming videos, and thank you so much for watching this video.